in MyMathLab, homework 42, composite shapes, and number 10. And it has a shape like this, and it says find the area of the shaded part. And it says use pi equals 3.144. So first, oops, this actually touches the circle, so it touches. Okay, so the first thing I see is I see a square and I see a circle. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is find the area of the square. Let me just find a colored pen. Red. There. Okay, so if I want to find the area of the square, I need to know this, but I don't know that. But I can go from here to here. From here to here is 5 centimeters. And let me get a paper clip. So many are stuck together here. Okay, a paper clip. So if this part is 5 centimeters, this is 5 centimeters, and this is 5 centimeters here. So I can say from here to here is also 5 centimeters. From here to here is 5 centimeters. From here to here is 5 centimeters. So I know that the distance here to here is 5 centimeters. And this is 5 centimeters, so this is 5 centimeters. That means this whole top edge is 5 plus 5, so that's 10 centimeters. Now from here to here is the same as this, so that's 5 centimeters. This is 5 centimeters, so if I move it here, this is also 5 centimeters. So from here to here, 5 plus 5 is 10 centimeters. So my square is really 10 by 10. So if I want to find my area, it's equal to length times width, which is 10 times 10, which equals 100. How many A's in area? 2. So it's centimeters squared. You have to have a 2. Now if I want to find the area of the circle, the area is equal to pi r squared. What's r? Well, r is the distance from the center to the outside edge, the radius. And here we know it's 5. So r equals 5 centimeters. So I just go pi times 5 squared. Now in the question it says please use 3.14. What they're saying is don't use the button on the calculator. They want you to use 3.14. So I'm going to go 3.14 times 5 squared. And I'm going to push SD. And that's 78.5. Now, to get my total area, I have to take the square and subtract out the circle because there's a hole in it. There's a hole, and the shaded area is just the stuff around the edges. I have to find the area of the edges. So the square is 100 centimeters. I was going to write centimeters. 100 minus 78.5. So I have to go 100 minus 78.5. So that's 21.5. Okay? Centimeters squared, because area has 2 A's, so remember 2 here. So the answers to choose from, well, it has to be centimeters squared, and it's 21, but normally this 5 would round it up to 22, so this is approximately 22 centimeters, and so the computer is actually wrong, okay? So it should say 22 centimeters here, so the answer should be 21, because I don't know, they've made a mistake in the computer, okay? So the hard part here is recognizing that the radius, that's 5 centimeters, that's 5 centimeters, just like a clock. The hand on a clock, that's 5 centimeters, that's 5 centimeters. And once you recognize that, you can say, oh, all the way across is 10, so that's 10. You say, all the way across is 10, so that's 10. And then you can find the area of the square easily, in the area of the circle, okay? So that should help you with question number 10 on homework 42 in my math lab.